I think this is a bad idea. Is it? Is it really? Huh? Get the idea!
Their honeysuckle melodies before my day's alarm. I imagine their rehearsal.
I'm just tired doing my new trimming because I think it's a disaster.
That I've not been invited.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so zoomed in. Okay, let's try again. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today, I will take you guys with me as I go make some vegan but non-leafy vegetable food. And first we're gonna head out to grab some groceries and I'm gonna show you guys more recipes. Is that a good idea? If it is, then maybe you should comment down below and say it's a good idea, Agnes. Like, take us with you sometimes because you're always in the kitchen or something. Yeah, let's go. So we're here in Gaisano and Ororama. We're just getting some house staples, home essentials, and very important ingredients for our recipe. Still wonder why we still have to wear face shields because they're so unnecessary. Now we're here in Colgo and we're just stocking up on some vegetables and fruits. This has been our routine for the past couple of months since avocado season has been around. I think the most important thing that you need to remember when you want to go fully vegan is that you have to have a buddy, like an accountability buddy.
From all the songs I sing when I'm alone late in my car. And if I were the postman awake for the afternoon, I'd be the lucky someone eavesdropping on their tunes. But I
So, mao ni siya ang I don't know the name of this recipe, but I just figured that I could do this because it looks similar to what I see on Pinterest. Smile, Vivi. Smile now.